Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your normal videos into 4K Ultra HD cinematic edits using CapCut. So in here, I'm going to use CapCut PC, but you can also do it on mobile. So after that, at first you can just open your projects and add your videos into the timeline. And then you can just go to the project settings in here, click on menu and go to settings, click on edit. Here you can increase the frame rate. So the recommended setting is 60 fps for smooth cinematic look. So I'm going to change it into 60, click on save. And you can also apply color grading. You can use cinematic LUT or adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation manually. So you can just go to the adjustment in here, and here you can use the auto adjust, or you can also add your presets in here. So for example, I'm going to just adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation manually in here. So let me edit contrast here. Saturation. And also the exposure like this. Then you can also add letterbox bars or widescreen effects. So you can go to library in here, go to background and add a black background here. To the timeline, put it on top or as overlay. And then you can adjust it or position it at the bottom and also at the top. So just copy it like this, make two, and put the other one at the top. So it will add this cinematic effects to your video. And the last one is the export setting. So when you click on export in here, you can select the resolutions in here into 4K, and the frame rate is 60, and the bit rate, change it into higher. And after that, you can just tap on export and you'll get the best quality. So that's how you can convert any normal or basic video into a 4K Ultra HD cinematic masterpiece using CapCut. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!